Okay, how you guys doing today? I'm Billy. I'm sitting here with a sewer smart battery charger. This is a great gift and great for you. I'm going to have to jump start it. Jump starts. It's a smart battery charger. It automatically jump starts the battery for you. Doesn't take but a second really to kick it on. I need to get my Jeep here started, and I'll get back with you guys and let you know how good it works. But right now, we're going to give it a shot and try. So there you go, people. We got it started. All you do is a simple thing. You plug this into the adapter, charge it up, and it's just this little piece here. Automatically jump starts. Got to keep running for us. So anybody, you guys should buy this. I just had to start up my car, get the battery charged. It's a sewer smart battery charger. It's a little portable thing. I mean, it fit your pocket. Yeah, it's got the charger to keep it charged up. This thing will fit your pocket. Seriously, a great gift to keep in your car, man. It works if you're about it. And wintertime's coming. Wintertime is coming. It's the best time to have something like this for you. All right, well, good luck and get one today.